Hello and welcome back to the WallArt Viewer AR onboarding series. I'm Jesse, your guide through the exciting journey of integrating AR and 3D viewing capabilities into your Shopify art gallery. Today, we're diving into the simple yet impactful process of adding custom AR and 3D viewing buttons to your product pages. Let's start with setting up these buttons on your default product page. There are two easy ways to do this. First, you can use the WallArt Viewer AR dashboard. Just look for the Setup Product Page buttons section. This will provide a shortcut directly to your store's default product page. The second way is by selecting the Online Store CTA in the Shopify left-hand side navigation under Sales Channels. Open the page and go to your current theme. Then select the Customize button to open your default setup pages. From there, you'll go to the default product page via the drop-down menu at the top of the screen to start adding the WallArt Viewer button blocks. Both options provide an easy way to start adding and customizing your 3D and AR buttons. Let's make a start by going back to the WallArt Viewer dashboard. Starting from the dashboard, choose either the Setup 3D button or Setup AR button to jump directly to your theme's default product page. This is your command center for customizing your product page layout. If you have different versions of your default product page, remember to apply these steps to the correct one. On the default product page, simply select Add Block to reveal your theme blocks. Look for App Blocks, and there you'll find Launch 3D View button and Launch AR View button. Add one or both app blocks to your page and adjust their placement to fit your layout perfectly. Now, let's talk functionality. The Launch 3D View button will display an interactive 3D model viewer according to the customer's selection. This feature enables customers to view their selection in full detail, fully framed, and at their desired size. The Launch AR View button, on the other hand, generates a QR code pop-up for desktop users to scan with their device, or directly launches the AR experience for mobile web users, instantly providing customers with the ability to place and position on their own wall in the perfect scale, size, and frame selection. Both of these buttons are optional. So, if you didn't want to show the 3D viewer, simply hide or remove the app block from your default product page. You can also show or hide the QR code pop-up when Launch AR View button is selected on desktop. To hide on desktop, simply uncheck this option in the right-hand customization panel to hide the visibility on desktop and only show when viewing on mobile device. Have a play with the settings to see what works best for your store. Next up, customizing your buttons. By selecting each button in the left-hand panel, you can reveal the settings for each on the right side. You have plenty of options to make these buttons blend seamlessly with your brand and theme. Adjust the button size, width, padding, and even the icon dimensions and color. Change up the text and background colors to make them pop. You can even personalize the text, like View in your space or View on your wall, for example, and translate into your own preferred language for your audience. Once you're happy with the look and feel of your buttons, remember to save your settings. One last important note, and that is the buttons that you have just added to your default product page design will only appear on the products that contain AR and 3D content. So please ensure that when previewing, that you have content available to view for the test product. That wraps up the setup process of adding custom AR and 3D viewing buttons to your product pages. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this WallArt Viewer tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up below. We're excited to see how you transform your art store with these new features. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to the WallArt Viewer support team. We are here to help. See you in our next video.